Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to zoom Google Docs. Open the Google Docs document. One of the options is to use the zoom menu. There you can increase the percentage or decrease it according to the need you have at the moment. Alternatively, you can press the Ctrl key and then use the scroll bar of your mouse to increase or decrease the zoom in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.